My name is Jacob Stewart. I'm with Stewart Family Floors out of Little Rock, Arkansas, and I'm here at City Floor Supply in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania for the NWFA Intermediate Sand and Finish School. I've learned just a lot of different things. There's so much knowledge that I'm walking away with that it's definitely worth every penny.
My name's Mike Dittmer. I'm here at City Floor Supply in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania, and I am currently a tech and training field manager for Bona USA. The only reason why I've been able to be a successful contractor for over 25 years was because of the training we received at NWFA, just to help me learn about different tools and techniques that are available to me.
My name is Dan Holly. I'm with Endurance Sports Floors out of Manasquan, New Jersey. Things that I learned about using a floor buffer, the techniques that they showed me are different from the way we've been doing it and will probably improve the quality of our finishing moving forward.
The first time I walked into City Floor Supply, it was called Philly Floor Store. I was 16 years old. That was 23 years ago. It's phenomenal to see the location that you have now and just the resources that you have compared to where you guys were at when I first walked in 23 years ago. And you were a great company then, but you know, what you have to offer is just unbelievable.